We are on a well-eaten path. I think this is Old Man's Beard, but we're going to have to look at our lichens and see. Put it in the bag for identification and later, and that's for a good bed, if it is what I think it is. Lots of oak moss just growing. Here's the Old Man's Beard. Did you find something? Lots of moss. Trying to look off the beaten path. See if I can spot some of these fungi. Found something? Some tiny ones growing on the dead undergrowth. But for those of you who wanted to see Vancouver Island, this is my island. And this is what a temperate rainforest looks like. Lots and lots of green. Lots and lots of moss and lichen. And this is a well-used path. You can't live here without wanting to go for long hikes, I don't think. It took me a while to decide that's what I wanted to do. But here I am in the bush, looking around. I'm hoping to find some pine sap as well. There's a lot here that I don't even recognize, I'm sure. Here's some huckleberries, some holly over there. Lots of ferns. Lots of ferns. I think this tree is weeping. Let's see if it's got, if I have access to any of it. It's just nearly damaged, it looks like. Oh, it's a little bit of pine sap. That's cool. Probably a woodpecker or something damaged the tree. Let's see. There's my sweetheart. Another tree that looks like it's got some sap running. Again, oh, there's a mushroom up there. Can you see it? There's two of them. It's more of those black mushrooms. I think I got one in my bag. I'll show you later. And there's a mushroom, but it's mostly eaten already. We've had some rains and our first frost, so we're not going to see very good quality mushrooms right now, unfortunately. Let's get back on the path. The last time I was out here, there was a few like amber globules on the tree. There's another mushroom up there growing on the tree. See them? I wish I could get a close up of it. I can get the light just right. You can see it. Pretty cool. This tree is covered with them. No.
Have fun.
Thanks. People here are still super friendly. this. It's on the branch. We'll just harvest that. Maybe. Definitely be able to get a... I'm not going to put it in there with that. There's one of those mushrooms that's growing in the tree. Here, I'll show you. I believe they're toxic, but this one's past its prime. It was low down. So I got it just to identify and try to figure out what it is exactly. Turkey tail is something that grows here, but I'm not sure if it grows on a pine tree. Be really careful where you step. This is a big patch of prickly Oregon grape. And these berries are edible too. They're not nearly as prickly as, say, a blackberry patch. Just lucky for my legs. What I'm really hoping to find is a chanterelle or a bullet, or if I'm really lucky, a lobster mushroom. We've already found a puffball. Pine mushrooms are a possibility, but they're super rare and very expensive, so if there are any here, the real mushroom hunters have probably already found and foraged them. Isn't that beautiful? Let's see. Did you see anything over here? Nothing growing anywhere. I haven't seen a mushroom in a while. Okay, let's just pause this. Look at this beautiful log. That is, it just goes and goes and goes and goes. This is a big tree. Covered in the little tiny mushrooms that are starting to grow on it. And I'm going to take a picture, hopefully. Look at these little tiny guys. And get over it. Carefully. Another beautiful tree. Let's get back on the path. Now, mushrooms have a symbiotic relationship, just for comparison how tiny this guy is, with trees. And so, the first step for identifying some of the mushrooms that we're seeing is to eliminate those that don't grow around these kind of trees in this kind of environment. Ooh, there's something. Nope. Pine cone. Fir cone. Not pine cone. Fir cone. Here's one of those black mushrooms attached to the tree stem. Huh? I'll have to do this again. I am having so much fun, honey. It's the best kind of walk. So, in case like walking on the beach. Huh? There's some sap. But it's white. And I don't think I can get any of it off. unfortunately. No, you know how they sometimes get those little globs of amber? That's what I'm looking for. I'm gonna pick a scab off a tree if I see one. Oh, look at that giant guy. It's 2 trees, I believe, yeah. And this is right in the city, pretty much. Well, it's in the urban part of Saanich, but oops. Oh yeah, there's another tree mushroom. Look at these guys. Let's see if we can... Let's take... Looks like it's been seeded. Look at, there's holes all over the tree. I wonder if somebody seeded the tree. Or maybe it's just, if they don't come off, they're really in there. It might just be animals that made the holes. You found something? That big long log had all these teeny tiny mushrooms just starting to grow up. Where is it? Over there. Oh, possible chanterelle. Golden, looks like. Should look around to see if there's any more. Yep, there might be. Possibly. Maybe not. It's hard to tell. Oh, here's another one. Hiding.